Hello guys, today we are going to learn quadratic equation, and sometime in external question or NECO they'll ask you what can be added to quadratic equation to make it a perfect square. Why sometimes they'll make it the question to be more than that. They'll say what can be added to the equation to make it a perfect square and also factorize the result. So um, like this question is the same thing. Add the terms that make each of the following a perfect square. It's the same thing as what can be added to this following to make it a perfect square. After that, after you might have get it, factorize the results. Factorize the results. Let me start with question 1a. We have t square plus 1 whole number 3 over 5, then t. What can I add to this expression to make it a perfect square? I have a formula. What you're going to do is that you take b here. This is b, is 1 whole number 3 over 5. From what I have 1 times 5, 5 plus 3, we have 8 over 5, 8 over 5. Then I have to multiply this value by 1 over 2, then I'll square the result. Very easy. It's very easy to get what can be added to this quadratic expression to make it a perfect square. What I did is that 1 times 5 is 5, 5 plus 3, 8 over 5, then times 1 over 2, then so you square the result. Whatever you have, you square it. You now have equal to 8 times 1 is 8, all over 5 times 2 is 10. Then remember, I still have square here, and we have this square affecting both numerator and what? Denominator. 8 times 8, we have 64. Then 10 times 10, we have 100. So how to make this the value I have to the lowest term? 2 here we have 32. 2 here we have 50. Then 2 here we have 16. Then 2 here we have 25. Which means it is the same thing as 16 over 25. Which means 16 over 25 is the value that can be added to this to make it a perfect square. Which means that this equation can turn to t square plus this one is already 8 over 5 t plus 16 over 25. And they ask us to factorize it. It is very easy. There is a simple way to factorize it. Take the square root of this. First of all, before you do that, you have to check that 8 plus 8 is 16. 5 times 5 is what? 25. Which means that it's a perfect square. So t, you pick the square root of t is square root of this square is t. Then these are plus. Square root of 16 is 4. All over square root of 25 is 5. And it's going to be occur twice. This is the value. So what can be added to this quadratic expression is 16 over 25. And when I will factorize it, I'm going to have t plus 4 over 5 into bracket 2 times. So the second question says that what? B, we have s square minus 12sy. I'll still use the same method. I'm going to have this is minus 12 now because here there is plus. That's why I did not introduce any sign. But here there is minus 12. Like I've said, what I did here, I multiply it by 1 over 2. Then I'll square the result to get what can be added to this to make it a perfect square. Which is the same thing as minus 12 times how minus 12 all over 2, then all square. It is the same thing as minus 12 times minus 12 into 2 all over 2 times 2. For this, we have this counting to have 144 all over 2 times 2, we now have 4. Now I have to make it in the lowest term. 2 here we have 62. Sorry, we have 72. 2 here we have 2. 72 the other that we have 36. Which means 36 can be added to this to make it a perfect square. So we have s squared now minus 12 sy plus 36 that can be added to it to make it a perfect square. So how can we express this? Remember, now we take the square root of this one, have x. Since that one of this is minus, which means it will take minus. We now say square root of 36 is 6. Remember, I've used s here, and the question comprises of x and y, which means that the one that one will take the other letters. This is x already. This one will carry s again to take what? Y. Then all square. which means the answer will be now s squared minus 12sy plus 36 is equal to s minus 6y all squared, which is the final answer for the two questions. Thank you and peace out.